Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your E-Trade account by updating security settings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin restoring your E-Trade account, navigate to the E-Trade website. Log in using your existing username and password. If you can't access your account, select the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your registered email or phone number. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings menu. Locate the Security Settings option and click on it. Review your existing security questions. Change any security questions that you feel may be compromised. Next, enable two-factor authentication if it is not already activated. This adds an extra layer of protection for your account. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication. You can opt for an authenticator app or SMS notifications. After setting up two-factor authentication, review your login activity. Look for any unfamiliar activity or devices. If you spot anything suspicious, report it immediately to E-Trade support. Next, review the linked banking information. Ensure that the accounts and payment methods are correct and secure. Finally, log out and log back in to test your updated security settings. Confirm that your changes are in effect and functioning properly. You have now successfully updated your E-Trade account security settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.